Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the AACLN All India mock tests for students preparing for the UPPSC examination. These tests are going to provide you with that rigorous and targeted preparation experience. Under AACLN mock tests, we have 3 tests. The first test was on 25th of August, in which more than 5,000 students have appeared, and we have received overwhelming response. The next test is on 22nd of September, and the third and last test is on 13th of October. Now, as you all know, AACLN basically means assessment. So the first reason why you should be joining these tests is that we'll be providing you with All India ranking. This will help you to assess your performance. You'll be able to see how you stack up against other aspirants. Simulated mock tests, as it replicates the real exam, and it covers the entire UPPSC syllabus. As per your preference, you can either opt for online or offline mode. और आप टेस्ट को किसी भी माध्यम में लिख सकते हैं, इंग्लिश या हिंदी मीडियम में. These mock tests are strictly as per the UPPSC standards and trends. We will also be providing you with the comprehensive explanation of all the questions after the examination. Now, do not consider these tests as just a set of practice tests. Why? Because it is going to give you that real exam environment. It will help you to focus more. It will give you that competitive edge in your preparation. Now, if we talk about the test date and time, these tests are on 22nd of September, and the next one is before your preliminary examination on 13th of October. GS paper 1 will be from 9:30 to 11:30 am, and GS paper 2 will be from 2:30 to 4:30 pm. Now, these are our offline test centers. We have 2 test centers in Delhi. One is in Mukherjee Nagar and Warren. The other test centers are Noida, Lucknow, Prayagraj and Ghaziabad. Now, enrolling for the AACLN mock test is quite simple. You may visit our website, which is www.nextice.com, or you may even email us, or you can call us on our IVR number 808-1300-200. And if you want more content related to your UPPSC preparation, you may even subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is PCS by NextIS. So that was all about the AACLN mock tests. All the very best. Do not miss this opportunity. Keep learning and keep shining. Thank you so much.